Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. This is Zach here. Hope you guys been doing great. Alright, as you guys know, previously on my previous video, I actually unboxed the Skull Co new grip. Alright, so that's the case for my Nintendo Switch OLED. Alright, so I also wanted to share with you guys, okay, and the other accessories that I bought from them, okay, which what they call is the Jumpgate Dock. Okay, so basically this is basically just similar to this dock that Nintendo Switch have, right? But I think this one has more. More features. All right. So let me just get right into it to do the unboxing and show you guys what it does. Okay. So this is the inside of the box, right? So I think it's pretty dope, right? The design. Okay. So I think that's about it. This is just the the item itself, right, and some instruction manual, user manual, right. So here it is. So guys, just to take note, right, they have the OLED version and the non-OLED version. So the white one is the OLED version, right? So just take note if you guys decided to buy this product. Okay, so basically this is the product itself, right? So here comes with the USB-C Type-C charging the cable, right? So this is my first time playing around with this. So I think the good thing about here, right, is you can actually shift around the USB-C cable, right? So then you won't have the issue of this thing being broke. Okay, so the back I/O, right? Okay, you can see it has the USB-C, the HDMI, and then the USB 2.0 and one USB 3.0. Alright, so how this will work, right, is you just need to dock your Switch over here, right? So maybe let me just do an example. Right, so you just dock your Switch over here. Let me see if I can do it. Alright, so as you can see, right, the Switch is being docked, right? So I know this one, the original Switch dock, right, it does come with the LAN cable. Unfortunately here this doesn't come with LAN cable, so you have to have an adapter, USB 3.0 to a LAN port, and then you just connect your LAN cable, right? And then it should work on here, right? So yeah, so this is how it looks like when it's being docked. Okay, I hope you guys can see. But it's quite steady though, right? So I think it's pretty good. Right. So another cool thing about this, right, is this one you can use it on your Switch. Okay, you can use it on your computer as well, right? So I think let me just take a look. With case, without case. Oh, there's a way that you can adjust the height, I believe, right? So there's a way, right? So with case, okay, with case, okay, they'll push this higher, right? Without case, they'll put it lower, right? So you can just switch it from here, right? So it's pretty interesting how they design this thing, right? So I think you can also, right, you can remove this, right? But let me just try and see how I can remove this. Okay guys, always remember to check manual, guys. Okay, oh my god, I had some issue figuring out. Okay, so the thing is, right, the cool thing about here is you can actually make it higher, right, just by pressing the middle portion, right? So I think it's to make the thing more stable, right? So as you can see, right, there's actually a few I/O at the back. This one I'll show you guys. Okay, the interesting thing about this is you can remove it, right? So you just need to go to the bottom and just use your thumb and slide it out. Okay, so here is the I/O. Okay, this is the USB-C that will be connected to a USB-C port here, right? So what this does, right, is if your laptop has any USB-C port, right, you can use this and then you can still use all these function. Okay, if I'm not wrong, there's a memory card slot here, SD card. Okay, so you can use the SD card here. right? So it's pretty quite amazing in one package that you can have so much feature, right? So I'm definitely going to use this, right, compared to this dock, right? So it's pretty cool, right? That when I look at this, I fell in love with it the moment I saw it. So that's why I decided to buy it. I think the overall, all the design, all this, right, is pretty. I think it's pretty well thought. Okay, so I think I suggest you guys can, you know, try to have a look at their website. Okay, I think this is pretty quite you know, quite interesting thing to have. Okay, one of the, I feel one of the more better accessories that you guys can consider. Okay, so they also include this adapter, USB-C to USB-C as well, right? So in case you need it, I think this is more for computer, right? So yeah, that's it guys. This is the Skull Co Jumpgate, right? So remember, OLED versions is, I think for right now, it's only the white version, right? The black one is all for the previous generation Switch console, right? So I'll link the description. Let me know what you guys think about this, and if there's anything that you need me to do a test, I'll be happy to help you guys if possible, right? So if this video helps you, right, do remember to subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot, it motivates me a lot as well. Okay, in the meanwhile, please stay safe and look forward to my next video. Okay, bye.